I'm Latrelia, and I'm a carpenter.
I'm Jesse, and I'm a carpenter. When I got older, I realized I just like to build things. I just wanted to know more, and I wanted to be certified. Fast Forward it's a way to learn everything at a speed and at a cheap price.
I've always had an interest in carpentry for as long as I can remember. And so I heard Fast Forward program had grants and the training available. I contacted Representative TCC and got everything going, fill out forms, we got everything taken care of, and boom, I'm here.
It's an inexpensive way to get an education, whether it's degreed or a certificate program. These are students that really want it. By the time they walk away from this class, they will have the basic fundamentals necessary to be a professional carpenter.
I want to be able to make pieces of furniture, a table, a desk, a chair, that would speak to my artistry, but yet have an impact on the person who receives it.
Nobody made them take this class. These are all individuals that at some point in their life have decided that I want something different.
Fast Forward at your local community college. Visit fastforwardva.org.